Hello students, in this video let us learn few examples on radius of curvature. So let us consider this example. For the curve y is equal to ax upon a plus x, show that 2 rho by a raised to 2 by 3 is equal to x by y whole square plus y by x whole square. So let us consider the curve y is equal to ax divided by a plus x. So as we know, the formula for rho consists of y1 and y2. So let us differentiate y with respect to x. Derivative of y, let us y1. We'll go for the quotient rule here because we have ax upon a plus x. So denominator will keep as it is a plus x. Derivative of the numerator is a minus. Let us keep numerator as it is. Derivative of the denominator, that is derivative of a plus x, is 1 whole divided by, we have a plus x whole square. Now this, if we simplify, we get a square plus ax minus ax divided by a plus x whole square. So a plus x gets cancelled. We have a square divided by a plus x whole square. That is our y1, or we can write y1 is equal to a divided by a plus x whole square. Let us call this given equation as 1. The value of y1 as equation 2. Now let us differentiate this y1 once again and obtain y2. So differentiating with respect to x, derivative of y1, it is y2. Now a square is constant, let us keep it as it is. Differentiation of, it is a plus x raised to minus 2. Derivative of, we want 1 upon a plus x whole square, or we can put it as a plus x raised to minus 2. So it is a square into minus 2 into a plus x raised to minus 3, n into x raised to n minus 1. And again we have to differentiate this a plus x. Derivative of a plus x is 1. Now we have a square into minus 2 divided by a plus x whole cube. Thus, we have the value of y2 as minus 2a square divided by, it is a plus x whole cube. So, we got the value of y1, we got the value of y2. Let us call this as equation 3. Now, let us substitute y1 and y2 in the formula for rho, which we know that is given by rho equal to 1 plus y1 square raised to 3 by 2 divided by y2 for the Cartesian form of the curve. So formula for rho is this. Let us substitute y1 and y2. It is 1 plus y1 square is a square divided by a plus x whole square. It's the square again because we want y1 square raised to, we have again 3 by 2 whole divided by y2. Value of y2 is minus 2a square divided by a plus x whole cube. Now let us take LCM in the numerator. So we'll get a plus x whole square plus a square, this term a plus x whole square into 1, we have a plus x whole square, but it is again raised to, let me write it as 1 plus a raised to 4 divided by a plus x raised to 4 whole raised to 3 by 2 whole divided by minus 2a square. Denominator of denominator, let us take it to the numerator. Okay. Now if we take LCM, we will get a plus x raised to 4 plus a raised to 4 whole raised to 3 by 2 divided by the LCM term is a plus x raised to 4. It should be again raised to 3 by 2. So we'll write into 3 by 2 whole divided by, it is minus 2a square, and this term will keep it as it is, that is a plus x whole cube. Okay. Now what we have is a plus x raised to 4 plus a raised to 4 raised to 3 by 2 divided by, it is divided by here, divided by, so it is divided by, here the powers when they get multiplied, we are remained with a plus x raised to 6, and again we have a plus x whole cube divided by minus 2a square. So again this a plus x whole cube is there, and here in the denominator we have a plus x raised to 6. So if we simplify that, we get a plus x raised to 4 plus a raised to 4 raised to 3 by 2 divided by, it is a plus x whole cube into minus 2a square. So 6 minus 3, bases are same, we will subtract the power, 6 minus 3, we are remaining with 3. Now let us go for rho is this value. Rho is a plus x raised to 4 plus a raised to 4 raised to 3 by 2 whole divided by minus 2a square into a plus x whole cube. Now from what is asked, we need 2 rho by a. So if you multiply by 2 by a on both sides, it is 2 by a into, we have a plus x raised to 4 plus a raised to 4 raised to, it is 3 by 2 whole divided by, it is minus 2a square into a plus x whole cube. So here 2 gets cancelled and we are remained with rho equal to a plus x, 2 rho by a equal to a plus x raised to 4 plus a raised to 4 raised to 3 by 2 divided by minus a cube into a plus x whole cube. Now what we want is 2 rho by a raised to, it is 2 by 3. So if we square it on both sides, or if I say 2 rho by a raised to 2 by 3, then again on the RHS raising to the power 2 by 3, already we have 3 by 2, again raising it to the power 2 by 3. Similarly, a cube with minus sign raised to 2 by 3, then a plus x raised to 3, and again it is raised to 2 by 3 into, we have 2 by 3. Now you can see that here 3 by 2 and 2 by 3 gets cancelled. Here in the denominator 3 gets cancelled. So we are remained with a plus x raised to 4 plus a raised to 4 divided by minus a whole square, means it is a square, into, we have a plus x whole square. Now let us divide each term by the denominator. It is a plus x raised to 4 divided by a square into a plus x whole square plus a raised to 4 divided by a square into a plus x whole square. So again here the terms will get cancelled. A plus x whole square cancels with a plus x raised to 4. Again here a square cancels with a raised to 4. what remains is a plus x whole square divided by a square plus a square divided by a plus x whole square. Now this is our 2 rho by a raised to 2 by 3. But from equation 1, or sorry, 2 I can say, from 2, what we have is y1 equal to, y1 is equal to, from 1 what we have is y is equal to ax divided by a plus x, or this implies y by x is equal to a divided by a plus x, and x by y is equal to the reciprocal a plus x by a. Substituting this in our 2 rho by a raised to 2 by 3, we have a plus x upon a, it is equal to x by y square here, because it is a plus x whole square upon a square. Similarly, here we have a square divided by a plus x whole square, that is a upon a plus x, which is y by x whole square. So this is the result for 2 rho by a raised to 2 by 3 is equal to x by y whole square plus y by x whole square. Thank you.